Hi friends, thank you for tuning into my YouTube channel. I'm going to go ahead and do a quick tutorial on how to make this beautiful 3D Irish crochet flower. It's a 3D flower, as you can see, very vibrant, very textured and stands out. I'm going to complete this start to finish without editing it at all so that you can get an understanding of the whole thing, of how the whole thing is made. I'm going to be using a 3mm crochet hook and a pair of scissors. I'm using two shades of red because I'm making a blended red transitioned kind of Irish crochet cardigan. I've got loads of motifs available on my channel, so do go ahead and check those out. I'm going to grab my center color yarn and I'm just going to twist the yarn to secure. You can do a magic circle if you wish to. I do not. We're going to chain 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slip stitch or single crochet into the first chain, chain 2, and we're going to do 16 double crochets in the center. Your first double crochet always counts as 2. So I got 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And we're going to slip stitch into the first chain there. I'm going to snip my yarn to change colour. If you are keeping the same colour, of course, do not snip your yarn. Next, I'm going to go ahead, grab my different colour of yarn. I'm just going to slip stitch into a random chain. You will already be here if you haven't changed your colour. You're going to chain 6, 3, 4, 5, 6. Double crochet into that same chain. Chain 3, skip a stitch, double crochet, chain 3, double crochet into the first chain, double crochet into that same chain, sorry. So can you see how we've got like a V-stitch? We've got a V-stitch and a gap and a V-stitch. We need 8 V-stitches. So now I'm going to chain 3, skip a stitch, double crochet. Now I've got the space. Chain 3. I'm going to drop a double crochet in the same chain. Now I've got my third V-stitch. I'm going to chain 3. I'm going to skip a stitch, double crochet. Now I've got the square space. I'm going to chain 3. I'm going to double crochet in the same space. I've got my fourth V-stitch. Now I'm going to chain 3. I'm going to skip a stitch. I'm going to double crochet. Now I've got square. Chain 3, double crochet in the same space. Got my fifth V-stitch. Chain 3, skip a stitch, double crochet, got the square. Chain 3, double crochet in the same chain space. Sixth V-stitch. Chain 3, skip a stitch, double crochet. Chain 3, double crochet in exactly the same stitch. Chain 3, and the last one. Skip a stitch, double crochet. Chain 3, double crochet. Chain 3, and slip stitch into the first space, the first chain space rather. Now I'm just going to stop here. I just want to show you a close-up of that. Can you see how we've got very specific V-stitches. The V-stitches are where we're going to work these petals into. If I turn the work around, can you see these spaces? And if I pull that, these are the square spaces. So let's get cracking with the petals next. What we're going to do is we're going to start with the top bit here. So slip stitch into that top, the top of the V-stitch, chain 2, double crochet, another double crochet, another double crochet. So 4 double crochets in total, chain 3. We're going to make a picot stitch in these 2 chains. What that means is just drop a single crochet in there like that. And now 4 double crochets on the other side. Still we're working in that same V-stitch space. 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to work on the left side of the V-stitch. We are going to drop 6 double crochets in this V-stitch space here. It helps to just fold your work and hold it like that. I'll just give you a side profile there. So 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, 4 double crochet, 5 double crochet, 6 double crochet. You see the half of it, the other half of it, we're going to complete that when we're coming around. Now, to finish off with and go into the next space, we're going to single crochet in that chain space that we skipped, right beneath the square bit that I was pointing out to you. We're going to go and work on this V-stitch next. First we're going to work on the right side, then we're going to go to the top, then we're going to work on the left. So now hold your work and fold it this way. 6 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Turn your work back the way it should be in your hands and drop 4 double crochets in the top bit like that. Chain 3, picot stitch, 4 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to put 6 double crochets here, but fold your work that way. 3, 4, 5, 6. Single crochet in that empty chain between the 2 petals. I just want to show you what that looks like. Can you see that? This is the pattern that we're aiming to achieve in all of these petals. If you've got the hang of what I'm doing here, you can stop watching the video now. If you'd like to see me finish it, hang around. I'm not going to edit this video at all because I feel like there's quite a bit of tossing and turning involved in this, so I'm going to take you through the entire thing. I'm moving on to the next V-stitch and I'm going to drop 6 double crochets. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's work the top of the V-stitch. 4 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4. Chain 3, picot stitch, 4 double crochet on the other side, and 6 double crochet on the left side of the V-stitch, like this. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Single crochet in that empty chain. And the next V-stitch. 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, 4 double crochet, 5 double crochet, 6 double crochet. The top of the V-stitch, 4 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, chain 3, and single crochet to make a picot. 4 double crochet, 2, 3, 4, 6 double crochet on the left side of the V-stitch, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Single crochet in that empty chain at the bottom. We're going to go straight into the next V-stitch. 6 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Top of the V-stitch, 4 double crochet. 2, 3, 4. Chain 3, picot stitch, 4 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4. 6 double crochet in the left side of the V-stitch. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Single crochet in the empty chain. Next V-stitch, the right side of it, 6 double crochets on that side. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Top of the V-stitch, 4 double crochet. 2, 3, 4, chain 3. Single crochet to make a picot stitch, 4 double crochet to come back down, got 2 there, 1 more, 6 double crochet to come back down, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Single crochet in the empty chain in the base. The right side of the V-stitch, 6 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Top of the V-stitch, 4 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, chain 3, picot stitch, 4 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4. 6 double crochet to come back down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We've just got 1.5 left to go. Single crochet, 6 double crochet going up the V-stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Top of the V-stitch, 4 double crochet. Chain 3. Picot stitch, 4 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4. 6 double crochet to come back down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Single crochet. Now let's finish off that last one where we started. What we're going to do is we're going to do 6 double crochets going up. because remember we've completed the left side of it already. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now all you're going to do is slip stitch to connect the petal to the first one where we started. Now I'm just going to hide that thread. I'll hide it properly later, but voila, there is our beautiful 3D texture flower. I hope that this video was helpful for you. Please go ahead, comment, like and subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything to, but it means the absolute world to me. Thank you so much for watching and have a blessed day. Bye.